You never know what you'll find in the universe of my mind. Okay, so before I show you these, I'm going to show you the ones I did with cardboard because for some reason those inspired cardboard ones. They're simple, but I kind of like them. I have no idea what I'm going to do with these, but I kind of like them. This is the liner inside the crackers that I get. It looks like that. So I stuck this on. This is probably going to be the start of a junk journal or something. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. And I haven't cut this section off because I haven't decided if I want to keep it as a fold out or leave it like this or what. And these were leftovers from cutting out the circles, and it looked like a happy person, so stuck it there. Okay, and there's that one that I forgot to show. And then there's the ones for the challenge. This one's my favorite, and then the only thing I did was the centerpiece, but is my favorite one. Some of them got a little bit crazy, but and that's it.